Welcome to our training session on how to use the Webex Softphone app. After you have downloaded Webex from the app or Play Store, you will be asked to log in. These details will be provided by CAT Communications. Once this is completed, you will need to give permission to record audio and allow access to location services, make and manage phone calls. Please note the warning in relation to 999 calls, which should be completed via the device rather than Webex. Once you are logged in, you will be able to make a call by pressing Here. If this is the first time logging in, we will need you to accept the warning to record calls and/or videos depending on your Webex package. You can now dial the number and press the green handset button. You could also select a number from your contacts. Using Webex, you can make either a voice call or video call depending on your package. If you have selected optional call recording, it will show here and a red dot will show throughout the call. Press here to place the caller on hold and then press here to return to the caller and resume your conversation. Whilst in a call, you see all the features you are familiar with on a mobile phone, such as speaker or mute a caller. If your handset is enabled with call recording, you can pause it by pressing the More button, then select Pause Call Recording. You can also conference or transfer. Let's look at the transfer feature. In the app, it will give you access to your contact list for ease of selection. If this is the first time using this feature, make sure you press Allow to continue. Another feature of this app is the Do Not Disturb function. You can access it by pressing on the profile icon top left, then click Availability. It will then offer you a drop-down list showing amount of time you would like the phone to be on Do Not Disturb. At the end of this window, Do Not Disturb will automatically be removed. When you set your phone to Do Not Disturb, you may wish to also set a status. You can do this by going back to Main menu via the profile icon, set status, and then either choose a preset message or create a custom message such as on a training course. If you have questions, please email us on support@catcommunications.co.uk.